like those ones. No, you'll know when it's the grand finale.
Wow. Oh, like that's the last of it. Two. More cotton candy. From the ceiling. Damn. That's just pure evil. Oh man, I dropped some. Haven't we talked on watermelon flavored yet? Wait. 3, 4. I thought there was lightning behind the surface of the popcorn. Ho 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 ho. Is it just me or does that? Is it only me or do those, like, the smoke coming from it? Does the smoke coming from it look like the Northern Lights a little bit?
Oh my god, yes.
I just saw flashbangs.
Poor man's
Okay. Just said I got flashbang. I've been getting flashbang everything and lately, including video games. Yeah, there's only one piece. Okay. I think there's one more of these. They raised the price to $165.
Oh, it's gonna be closed too.
I think it is.
165. Are you serious? Since yesterday or whatever.
Like
how much?
it's $125. Apparently, just from buying 4, it became like an extra 50 cents. Yeah, just like
what? Burnett's. Walk down to the next store.
Okay, it's getting less frequent. Oh. Can't tell. 3.
You don't need a baby, but come cuddle with me and keep you safe.
They're pretty much, fireworks are pretty much just like missiles getting shot up in the air, pretty much, but the colors. So they're as deadly as a missile, plus the little, you could have
People
apps.
lose arms and fingers at least every year.
I just saw something go. Also, I keep wondering what's with those people with like the laser hats. Yeah. How much are they in this world?
You could probably buy those.
I'd probably do it. I'd probably do it just for the sake of blinding people.
Yeah, it's like Christmas.
This is the only thing left.
No,
Split it. Split it.
Just take it.
I split it. Take it.
It's all gone.
I'm feeling generous. I'm feeling generous. Have my.
What do you say?
I'm gonna make lemon ice out of this though. Like the container, make a giant cube of lemonade ice, pretty much. You know what I mean. I've done it before. Just make the lemonade first. I think that is. My phone can record up to 30 minutes until it can't record anymore. Like it can record videos after. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I've been holding my phone still for 6 minutes. Look behind us at the moon.
It's like an eclipse.
Yeah, I only turned my phone around for that. I'm part of the dark
Wait
side.
till you see the green finale. They set off all of them at once. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
Yeah, there's like 4 or
Do you
30.
remember how short the show was last year?
Yeah, it's like really
It
short.
was like really short. I
Like
think it
maybe
was last
15
year.
minutes. Yeah, last year. Oh. I think they're getting close to the. Oh, yeah, I can see them firing it. I can see them firing it. Do you know how? Oh, I keep getting flashbang every time I turn around. It just flashbangs me.
I can't believe it's already the 4th.
It's actually the 3rd right now, but pretty much the same thing. Same thing. I'm trying. I'm in the dark side. No, 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 no.
Oh, you'll know.
Oh, I popped off an
Set
end.
off like 100 of them.
I popped off the end.
It's gonna be loud and bright.
Alright, let's put. Oh! I just saw
Was
something.
it last year that it was really short?
Yes. Like,
Like,
yeah, like a weapon.
but like the grand was like kind of excessive, like so excessive that you I feel like it was somebody's first day on the job and everything got stopped. Like half the show was like.
I'm doing zoom ins for right now, a little bit.
Just while we watch the fireworks, then we'll turn it back.
Nope, not yet, but it's probably going to be any second, any minute. Yeah, they're launching more at a time anymore.
Who sets them off?
I see like 3. I see like 3 toddlers over there.
Support.
I see like 3 toddlers over there being fine with the sound somehow. They call me with the dark side.
Yeah, but if you all turned around, I could get it. Well,
Ow,
it wouldn't be
that hurt
great,
me first.
but,
Wait,
you
these
know.
are mine. Say Heidi.
No.
Okay.
What's your brother's goal?
Oh, you have the pink one. You can have the pink one.
Purple.
Purple, whatever.
Nighttime portraits with this going on.
It's not all the way cracked. Do you want me to crack it all the way?
Here, crack it, Heidi. No, let her do
Okay.
it. Bend it.
Just wanna low sticks.
Here. Oops, sorry. That's the that is a bracelet.
I like the purple one.
Okay, that's a
Ooh, that's
you do it too
interesting.
much.
Behind us again. Look at it. Some clouds. Sorry if I'm distracting you. I saw it a little bit. Oh, there's that laser.
It's like water bugs. Oh, there's the laser. Look
I
at
saw
that.
it light up the ground.
It's like right there.
Oh, but I loved it.
They're launching it from the woods.
That's so pretty.
Do a zoom up.
You could even use it around here. Let me see something.
I think.
Ooh, it will. Your turn.
Okay. 2 again, probably big. Yep, correct. Oh,
Do you guys know why we see the lights before we hear the booms?
yes, because it's far away and sound travels slower than light. I know facts. Like a belt.
I like the sizzly ones too.
My eyes. My eyes.
Well, we might be getting close.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot. I saw a party down at Hendrickson. But he's was like in the back, like trying to like work up or something. No, I was walking with Greg. Yeah, but he was just all focused going towards the door, like upset looking.
Like sad?
No, like just upset, like kind of angry, like movement
Like he
of
does
anger.
all that.
Maybe. My camera freezing? Oh god. Okay. Three, 4, 5.
Do it after the fireworks. Do it after the fireworks. Don't waste it.
I feel like that means. Doesn't it pause for a second whenever they. Yeah, I feel like it's slowing
The
down.
year where there was no grand finale,
I feel like there was once.
and everybody, the entire field just sat and waited and waited, and then nothing. And we were like, what the heck? I fell out of the wagon. Not really. Just backwards, straight up. Just was like infant. I forgot that John and Ariel or met us here or whatever.
Probably take an hour to upload this. I do. I see fireworks going on over there as well. Any minute they're just gonna go psycho mode. Oh.
That's why there's the opening.
Oh, okay. Oh.
That was it. Here, what do you want it as a necklace? Here.
What's with these people running past us? Oh, yep. Yep. I just noticed I'm mostly just sitting on the grass. Oh. Oh. Yep. I feel like it's started. The finale.
With you, what is the point?
Oh. No, I don't think so.
See a toddler running away.
Keep your eyes on the sky.
Awesome.
Keep watching them.
It's called smoke. Look how much smoke there is.
There's a lot. Like, oh my gosh, you can't even see the lights.
I can see the trees.
Everywhere
I can't see the trees.
I can. That proves my eye
I feel
vision.
like that's excessively stupid.
Yeah, probably somebody blew their arm off by now if it's like a teenager. Last year it was probably a teenager with zero patience. Okay.
You're okay, though.
Let's
I was
lap
just reminding you.
if everyone recording.
I would stop and wait for the
Wow.
That's what I'm doing.
ladder.
Well, how is that possible? I charged mine before we went. Till 30% because that's the best we could do before going. 80.
You guys see? Heidi, look, we'll be
What did you say, Mom?
Oh, look. On the... Let's go, Daddy.
Yep. The end, yeah. Expect the end. Yeah, lots of people are leaving. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Yeah. Ah, ow. Ow.